People say they know one when they see one.
They look like they're towing an invisible trailer.
Commonly called Carolina squat trucks, they're vehicles with the front end raised higher than the back, and they'll soon be banned under a bill recently signed into law by Governor Henry McMaster. Law enforcement agencies have been in favor of banning the squat, with officers saying it makes it difficult for drivers to see what's ahead of them.
It's contributed to some wrecks that we've had. Again, just when you look at it and you see how the driver's looking up in the air, they can't see anything low down.
First violations of the law will result in a $100 fine. A second offense is $200, and a third will lead to a $300 fine and the driver having their license suspended for a year.